Hello everyone, my name is Amanullah Khan. I have completed my task 6 given by the Sparks Foundation as a data science and business analytics intern. In this task, we have to do prediction using decision tree algorithm. It has a problem statement which states that create the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. So let's start our journey by first importing the required libraries. I have imported pandas for data frame creation and matplotlib for data visualization. Then I have loaded the dataset using pandas function, that is read underscore csv. Since our dataset is iris.csv is in comma separated value format, then I have used the function data.head to get a quick glance of a dataset. It returns the first 5 rows of a data. Then I have used the function data.info function to know more about our dataset. It tells us that there are total 6 columns and 150 rows in our dataset with ID as a column. Since we don't need it, ID is useful when we wanna make a primary key or uniquely identify any row from our dataset. But since we don't need it here, so we just drop it. Then I have used the function data.describe to know more about the dataset. It describes the mean, count, minimum, maximum, 25%, 55% of the data of our respective column of a dataset. After that, let us assign the values to variable x and y, where x is an independent variable contains all features except last column, that is the species, and y is a dependent variable which contains only species column. Let's move further, encode the dependent variable y, that is the species. We easily do it importing the label encoder from sklearn.preprocessing. As you can see that it has labeled the data iris setosa as 0, iris versica as 1, and iris virginica as 0, s2 sorry. So now let's split our data set into training and testing data using train underscore test split from sklearn.model underscore selection. So after that, it's time to build the model. For that, I have imported the decision tree classifier from sklearn.tree and assigned it to a variable called CLF, representing classifier. After that, we fit our training data into the dataset, as you can see here. Now our model is built and ready to use. Let's also visualize the tree graphically, which can be easily done by these lines of code. So here it is, the decision tree. It checks the condition given here at each node and takes the decision. So now let's make prediction using data and compare with the actual data. I have predicted here, and you can see that the actual data is 1 and the predicted is also 1, and you can see furthermore both the values are same. Also, if we check the accuracy score, it is 1. So our model is predicting 100% accurately, so which is a positive point. So thank you for watching my video and feel free to evaluate my work. Thank you very much.